14-stack Tulip Latte art. We are delighted to present a selection of beautiful floral arrangements. These creations often feature a delightful stack of blooms, reminiscent of a charming tulip display. To complement this visual artistry, we can also offer a perfectly crafted latte. The delicate patterns often found in latte art can echo the intricate beauty of nature. We hope these offerings bring a sense of elegance and warmth to your experience. Each element is thoughtfully prepared to enhance your enjoyment. We believe in providing a serene and visually pleasing atmosphere. It is our pleasure to serve you with such refined details. Certainly, let's explore the charming world of coffee creations. The delicate skill involved in crafting intricate designs atop a warm beverage is truly an art form. Observing a carefully constructed stack of steamed milk, transforming into beautiful patterns, is quite captivating. A delightful latte, presented with such care, elevates the everyday experience. This attention to detail transforms a simple drink into a visual treat. It's a wonderful testament to the creativity found in our favorite cafes. Such artistry can bring a smile to anyone's face. Enjoying these little moments makes a day brighter.